Tube and hybrid integrated amplifiers occupy a unique niche in modern audio. They blend classic tube warmth with contemporary connectivity and control. For many listeners, the appeal lies in a musical mid-range, pleasing harmonic texture, and the ability to drive a wide range of loudspeakers with a tactile, engaging sound. In this article, I test 5 units spanning budget-friendly to premium, all offering tube warmth or hybrid tube-based preamps with modern inputs such as Bluetooth, USB DACs, and phono stages.
List number 1. Fosi Audio MC331 Tube Integrated Amplifier with DAC. The MC331 is an all-in-one solution that combines a DAC, tube preamp, power amp, and headphone amplifier in a compact chassis. It includes a vintage-looking VU meter and flexible input set, Bluetooth, USB, coax, optical, and RCA, plus a 3.5mm headphone out and a pre-out for speaker protection or integration with a larger system. At its core, it targets desktop to small room setups with a maximum claimed power of 105 watts by 2 at 4 ohm, which translates to robust room-filling performance for compact bookshelf speakers when paired with efficient loads. The design emphasizes user convenience via remote control for source selection and tone adjustments, and the replaceable tubes offer sonic tailoring for enthusiasts who enjoy swapping tubes for different warmth profiles. This model is especially appealing for budget-conscious listeners who want a single box to handle digital sources, vinyl with a built-in phono-friendly path, and casual headphone listening. In practice, the MC331 delivers a warm, mid-range forward character from its tube preamp section, with the DAC handling typical PCM sources up to standard resolutions. The presence of USB and Bluetooth makes it easy to consolidate devices. Its compact form factor makes placement straightforward on a desk or shelf, but it will demand careful speaker matching to avoid bass bottlenecks at high volumes due to amplifier output limits on heavier loads. The replacement tube option is a notable hook for hobbyists who want to dial in a slightly more vintage or more clinical sound depending on tube choice. For gaming or PC audio via USB, the integrated DAC is convenient, though dedicated external DACs would outperform it at higher price brackets.
List number 2. Dayton Audio HTA100 Integrated Stereo Hybrid Tube Amplifier 100 watts. The HTA100 is a mid-range hybrid design, combining a solid-state output stage with a tube preamp for warmth and texture. It delivers 50 watts per channel into 4 ohms or similar loads, which is ample for many mid-size rooms and bookshelf setups. The aesthetic emphasizes a vintage front panel with VU meters and exposed tubes, appealing to listeners who value the retro visual vibe as part of the listening experience. Connectivity is broad, including RCA, Bluetooth, USB DAC, and phono input, making it easy to hook up turntables, digital players, and mobile devices. The build prioritizes accessibility, with a front panel headphone jack and speaker binding posts for easy integration with common speakers. This unit sits comfortably as a practical upgrade for listeners who want tube warmth in preamp stages without the complexity or heat of a full tube power section. In use, the HTA100 presents a balanced blend. A clean, solid-state power path preserves dynamic range and headroom, while the tube preamp adds warmth and harmonic richness on mids and highs. This is especially beneficial for vinyl playback, where the tube character can tame surface noise and add musicality. The volume control is smooth, and the Bluetooth 5.0 connection tends to be stable for typical streaming devices. The unit's weight and dimensions indicate a desktop or rack-friendly profile, though taller setups may require cable management. For critical accuracy, some listeners may prefer pure transistor-based amps, but the HTA100 offers a convincing, user-friendly compromise with notable aesthetic appeal.
List number 3. Monoprice 5 watt. This product is a guitar-focused tube amplifier in a compact combo format, using a 5-watt tube power section and a Celestion Super 8 GBA15 speaker. It relies on a classic ECC83/12AX7 preamp tube and a 6v6 GT power tube, delivering a distinctly guitar-centric character with modest output suitable for practice rooms or small gigs. The small footprint and guitar-oriented design make it a compelling value for players seeking authentic tube tone at very low price points. It's not a hi-fi stereo amp, but the inclusion of a Celestion speaker and a well-regarded tube signal path gives it a recognizable vintage guitar amplifier vibe that many players appreciate for its immediacy and touch responsiveness. From a performance standpoint, the mono-price combo emphasizes touch sensitivity and harmonic richness typical of small tube guitar amps. Its dual input options, low and high, provide practical drive characteristics for clean to overdriven sounds. While it's excellent for guitar applications, its fidelity and bandwidth are tailored to guitar signals rather than full-range stereo music reproduction. For players seeking a compact, affordable, guitar-centric tube tone, this unit offers a genuine analog experience, though it's not a drop-in replacement for a hi-fi tube amplifier in stereo listening environments.
List number 4.
Dayton Audio HTA200 Integrated Stereo Hybrid Tube Amplifier, 200 watts. The HTA200 doubles the power of the HTA100, delivering 100 watts per channel into 4 ohms in a visually similar chassis with VU meters and tube preamp warmth. This model targets larger listening rooms or more demanding speaker loads while maintaining the hybrid approach. Connectivity covers RCA, optical, Bluetooth, USB DAC, and phono preamp, giving broad compatibility with modern sources and analog front ends. The inclusion of a motorized volume knob and remote control enhances convenience for multi-zone listening or home theater contexts. Its premium build and higher power rating position it as a versatile choice for audiophiles who want a true half-step up in power without abandoning the tube-inspired character. In practice, the HTA200 delivers clean, high headroom amplification with the tube preamp adding warmth to the signal path. The larger power envelope supports more demanding loudspeakers and higher SPLs without audible strain, making it suitable for medium to large rooms with efficient or moderately efficient loudspeakers. The aesthetics and front panel metering remain strong selling points, and the remote-driven control helps in comfortable, seated listening sessions. For listeners who crave both bandwidth and warmth at higher volumes, the HTA200 offers a compelling balance between sonic fidelity and practical usability. List number 5. Juson Audio JTA200 300-watt EL34 Tube Amplifier Hi-Fi High-End Class AB Hybrid Stereo Tube Amp with BT 5.4. This premium model from Di-Fi Fold, branded as Juson Audio JTA200, promises substantial power delivery with 300 watts total amplification using EL34 tubes, paired with a hybrid Class AB topology. It features 150 watt RMS per channel, dual 4JC6 preamp tubes for low noise, and a sophisticated rectifier tower of devices, Y4P stable vault, 2 SA1943/2 SC5200 devices, intended to deliver a strong, dynamic, and detailed sonic footprint. Input options include aux, coax, phono, OPT, and BT 5.4, plus USB/PC inputs, a headphone output, and a subwoofer out. Aesthetically, it leans into premium modern hardware with a vivid LED display and a VU meter, reinforcing its high-end positioning and appeal to enthusiasts who value feature breadth and robust build quality. In terms of performance, the JTA200 aims to deliver large-scale dynamic transients with high current delivery, typical of EL34-based designs, while maintaining the control and low noise operation expected from modern transistors and stabilizer circuitry. The inclusion of BT 5.4 with aptX/LDAC support promises solid wireless performance for critical listening, and the dedicated subwoofer output indicates suitability for home theater-like setups or music systems needing extended low end. Given its weight of nearly 32 pounds, it's a substantial statement piece that prioritizes power and feature density over compact footprint. Music across genres, from orchestral to rock, should emerge with strong impact and a pleasing tube-like warmth, albeit at a premium price.